Hey, welcome back to another video. Okay, in this video, we are going to talk about the chapter number एक new book है आज The Richest Man in Pavilion. Okay, the success secrets of the ancients, the most inspiring book on the wealth ever written by George S. Clason. This is also its Penguin print book. And if you have to lean force and are looking for financial wisdom, you have picked the perfect book. A part of all you'll earn is yours to keep. From the importance of savings to the essential on how to become wealthy, this collection of famous Babylon parables imparts timeless financial wisdom. Babylon Parables imparts timeless financial wisdom. It offers insights on how to become wealthy, how to become attract good luck, and discusses the five laws of gold, a perfect guide to understanding finances and a powerhouse of time-tested principles to gain and retain personal wealth. The richest man in Babylon has been inspiring readers for generations. It continues to remain a classic bestseller. Okay, this is about the financial, okay, मनी के बारे में है. ओके इसमें तो पहली पेज में दिया है कि money is the medium by which earthly success is measured. Money makes possible the enjoyment of the best of the year force. Money is the plentiful for those who understand the simple laws which govern its acquisition. Money is governed today by the same law which controlled it when prosperous men thronged the streets of Babylon 6,000 years ago. And this is the context of this book. Okay, context of this book. Money is plentiful for those who understand the simple for rules of its acquisition. First is start they first to fettering, control the expenditure, make the gold multiply, guard the treasures from loss, make of their dwelling a profitable investment, ensure a future income, increase the ability to earn. And this is the before context. This is the text about the money, and this is the context where there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 11 chapters in this book. Okay, before going to enter this book, the first is the forward where we know about the purpose of this book. So let's start. Today we read the forward of this book, so that the book contents will be increased to the 12 because there are only 11 chapters. Our prosperity as a nation depends upon the personal financial prosperity of each of us individuals. This book deals with the personal successes of each of us. Success means accomplishments as the result of our own efforts and abilities. Proper preparation is the key to our success. Our acts can be no wiser than our thoughts. Our thinking can be no wiser than our understanding. This book of cures of lean purchase has been termed a guide to financial understanding. That indeed is its purpose to offer those who are ambitious for financial success an insight which will aid them to acquire money, to keep money, and to make their surpluses earn more money. In the pages which follow, we are taken back to Babylon, the cradle in which was nurtured the basic principles of finance now recognized and used by the world over. The new readers, the another is new readers, the other is happy to extend the ways the that its pages may contain for them the same inspiration for growing bank accounts, greater financial successes, and the solution of difficult personal financial problems. So, enthusiastically reported by readers from coast as coast to the business executives who have distributed these tales in such generous quantities to friends, relatives, employees, and associates. The author takes this opportunity to express his gratitude. No endorsement could be higher than that practical men who appreciate its teachings because they themselves have worked off to important successes by applying the very principles in advocates. Babylon became the wealthiest city of the ancient world because its citizens were the richest people of higher time. They appreciated the value of money. They practiced sound financial principles in acquiring money, keeping money, and making their money earn more money. They provided for themselves what we all desire incomes for the future, GSC. And this is forward. Okay, this is forward, and today we read. This is enough for today. And tomorrow we start the first chapter, that is an historical sketch of Babylon, about the history about the Babylon. Then typically we're growing next chapter, the men who desired a gold and all that. Okay.